Okay, this is T-Mike out here on the Bayou in lovely Boudreaux, Louisiana, in and amongst the pecan trees. And we're Bayou testing number 78, which is a 1958 5.5 horsepower Evinrude. It's the Katrina motor. Customer brought me this motor. Had been left underwater in Katrina, and I completely restored it, completely taken apart, everything redone. It was so badly damaged I had to replace the power head, the carburetor, the gear case, but I got it back together. She runs beautiful. Let's give her a test run this morning. It's going to be a warm start. I've been running her already. She pushes my little John boat about 7 miles an hour. Let's see how she goes. As you can tell, she's a beauty. 7 miles an hour is not too bad for a 5.5. This is on my 14-foot John boat. I just love it. Doing it one motor at a time. We'll see y'all next video. Au revoir, mes amis. Okay, what we have here is restore number 78. It's a 1955 5.5 horsepower Evinrude. It is completely taken apart. There's a stern bracket. Every nut, bolt, all the rubber mounts, tilt bolt, gear and shaft, handle, lower cowling, magneto rebuilt, carburetor rebuilt, new rope, handle painted, prop painted, power head pressure tested, gear case rebuilt. So this video is going to document the reassemble number 78. Put it back together. We'll see what she looks like when the video's over. Stay tuned. Here we go. Hope you enjoyed the video. Here at Team Bikes Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time. Please click on subscribe. I guarantee to provide weekly videos. Au revoir mes amis and laissez les bon temps rouler.